Right, we are on the Scratch main page. Now I will help you to create the user account in this one. It's a free website and everybody can create your own account here. For that one, I'll help you. Already have an account, I'm signing out. And Giant Scratch is the one. Just go to the Giant Scratch, create your own any username like test user and password test user one. Test user 221, test user 221, password can't match, test user 123, test user 123, and now select your country of region. I'm selecting United Kingdom, and next where you born, your year and month. I'm just selecting my date of birth, Jan and 2013, and next just select your gender. It's good to have your email address, testuser221 at gmail.com. That's it. You're good. So this is how you can create yeah, now my account is ready. I can get start. I'm in this one. Now I'll show you what are all the things to build a project. Now creating a new project. Here this is the plain one. You don't need to write any code. Just everything is drag and drop. We have many blocks here. Every block, whatever the useful block, just drag into here. That is our code. Here we can have our sprites. Not only this is not only the sprite, and here you can have a number of sprites. Like suppose these are all the sprites available. Of course you can have your own one also. Now I want to build a game based on the a music game, fish game, this game, and giga walking, gobo. These many things are there. So let me choose the nano walking and I'll delete the old one. Suppose if I want to write anything, just I'll show you how to write the code on this one. This is how you can choose the backdrops from here. You can choose any backdrop, like he's walking in the mountains. See this. So based on this, we can create a game and we can enjoy, and we will learn while creating. I'll show you. You will build the game at the same time you will learn. Before that, you need to learn what are all the options here in each and every. These are all the called blocks. Can you imagine kids playing with just with the blocks? Just arrange one block on top of the other block on top of the other block. By using that way, you can build a big building, right? Same way, just by building some blocks, creating our own game. Yes, it's strange, but yes, it happens. It is possible. We can create our own just by adding the blocks to each other. But only thing is, what we need to understand is just every block functionality, what it does. So which block I need to add it here for every functionality, to walk forward, to back, to jump, to sit down, to stand up, to sleep, to run, to do every action. You have a block here, right? So just arrange your blocks in a proper way and build your own game. That's it. You're good.